Alright, I'm going to film a cold start. Attempt or success of my 2001 Ford Excursion, the 7.3 liter diesel. It is not plugged in. It is 17 degrees Fahrenheit out there right now. I unplugged it about a day and a half ago when it was minus 10. So I wouldn't eat up the electric bill. I was going to plug it in before I started it again, but I'm just curious if it'll even start without being plugged in at all. It's going to be a hard start if it does. Really hard start if it does. Let's see. Let those glow plugs kick in. Give them 3 cycles before I even try. Let's see. Turn it back and then try again. Let's see what it does. Look at that. It started right up. Woo. Boy, she's cold. But she starts. Nice. All new injectors and new glow plugs sure make a difference. 17 degrees. I'm gonna pull it forward so I don't get exhaust fumes in my house. Just what I need to be smelling is diesel in my house. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. I'm surprised it started, honestly. I was not expecting that. Look at that. Even smoothing out already sounds pretty good for being this cold. Wow, you can't beat that. That's reliability there. 425,183 miles, I mean, you just don't get much better than that. Wow. Might as well do a walk around tour since it's for sale right now. We got these deep tread, nice beefy tires in the back. We got some pretty good Firestones up front there. Still pretty deep tread, even wear all throughout. Grill piece. Guy said he put an aftermarket one on there and the wind took it away. But I was gonna put another one on it, but I haven't done it yet. Oh, they got great tires on here. Running board brackets broken right there. There is some rust to be expected up here. That door's either locked or frozen. Locked. Let me unlock these doors in here. There we go. Pretty decent rockers up here, actually. This door is pretty good. These doors got some spray foam insulation in them. They're not the best. They'll work. Interior's a little if. Got the back seat. It's not in here. Let's look under the hood of this beast. Batteries are a little bit over a year old for the batteries. Not sure how well my audio is going to do with this engine here. That does run pretty good. she's just not opening right now. It must be cold. Anyways, rockers aren't too bad on this side. All the glass is good. This irks, but I got new struts for it. Those definitely need to be replaced, which they will. I got them in the truck. I just haven't put them in there yet. This left side barn door does not like to open. I haven't figured that out yet. Got good tabs on here. Got a solid tow hitch. Very solid tow hitch. This hitch here will pull just about anything. Hey, you can't beat that. Man, I'm pretty happy about that. That kind of blew my mind.